Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So last time you have done types of gender and usse pehle you have done singular plural as well, how to make things plural in Spanish, you have learned that. So today moving towards the topic, we will learn articles in Spanish. So articles in Spanish is artículos. That is los artículos, that is articles. So now in English, what is articles first of all? That should be clear to you. In English, what is articles in English grammar? So in English, we have three types of articles, a and the. A and is our indefinite article and the is our definite article. Same exactly in Spanish. We have definite articles and we have indefinite articles. Okay. Now coming on the first thing, in Spanish we have a and the. We don't have this one. Okay. We don't have this one article. So today I'm just going to teach you article A. Okay. Article A, that is indefinite article. So you will learn, or today you will learn indefinite article. That is A. When it comes to Spanish, you have un, una, unos, unas. So you have 4A, you can say. This one is also A, this one is also A, this one is also A, this one is also A. So the first answer is we have genders in Spanish, that is masculine and feminine. Then after that we have plural, masculine plural, then feminine plural. Now for this is for the masculine. This is for the feminine. This is for the singular. This is for the plural. Okay. ये singular होता है. Un is for the masculine singular. Una is for the feminine singular. Then unos is the masculine plural and unas is for the feminine plural. Now whenever in Spanish you whenever you want to put article in Spanish, first you will identify the gender. जब भी आप स्पेनिश में आर्टिकल लगाओगे, पहले आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट का या उस नाउन का you will see the gender. Then you will put article. For example, we have done last time, we have done the class things, I guess, in the live session, yes. So we have learned mochila and all such words. So mochila. Now, first of all, you will identify the gender. Mochila, what is mochila? Mochila is bag, yes. Now, is it a feminine? Is it a masculine? Is it a neutral? It is a feminine ending with a A. So I know this is a feminine, so I will put a feminine article. So this is the feminine side, this is the masculine side. Okay, I'll do one thing for you. Okay, so this una or unas is the feminine. So this is a una, un, then unos, una or unas. A है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Feminine के लिए you can remember like this. यहाँ पे O है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Now this is mochila. Mochila is ending with the A. This is a feminine sign. So you can just write it F. Is ending with the A. That is feminine. Now अब मुझे पता चल गया feminine है. ठीक है? So now you are left with the two options. या तो उना आएगा या तो उनास आएगा. या तो उना आएगा या तो उनास आएगा. यहाँ पे can you see this is a plural or is it a plural or singular? It is singular. Why? It doesn't contain any S or ES in the end. So mochila is singular. I'll go for this one article. Una. Una mochila. That means a bag. For example, if the mochila is plural, mochilas hai, you will go for the plural article. You will go for this one. Okay, this is our plural side. So plural mein again you have two options. You can go for this one, or either you can go for this one and this one. But this is not the masculine plural, so I'll go for the feminine side. So I'll go for unas. So यहाँ पे भी लिख देते हैं unas mochilas. Unas mochilas. Una mochila. I hope these two examples are clear to you. Example we have it here. Gato, gata, gatos, gatas. Gato means cat. Gata is also cat. Gatos is a masculine plural cat. This is cats in a feminine. Now you know the meaning. Now coming on the article. Gato है, कौन सा article आना चाहिए? Gato is ending with the O, that means it's a masculine and it has no S or ES. So we will go for this one. Okay, this one. अगर फिर भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, गातो सिंगुलर है, ठीक है, एस और ईएस नहीं है. सो सिंगुलर हमारे पास ये वाला सिंगुलर है, हमारे पास ये वाला सिंगुलर है. यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस. सो आई गो फॉर दिस ऑप्शन बिकॉज this is a masculine and this is also masculine. O. Now coming on the another one, this is gata. Gata, una gata. Una gata. Gatas, unas gatas. This is for the feminine. This is for the feminine plural. Now gatos, unos, gatos. Oh, you have to see the ending basically. For example, universidad. So for example, universidad. Universidad किससे एंड हो रहा है? दाद से. दाद किसके लिए होता है? फेमिनिन के लिए. तो फेमिनिन आर्टिकल आएगा. फेमिनिन आर्टिकल के लिए यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस. उना आएगा या सो आई गो फॉर उना. व्हाई? दिस इज सिंगुलर. सो उना universidad, that means our university. Our cat. Our cat. This is a masculine cat. This is a feminine cat. This is a masculine plural cats. Feminine plural cats. So now I'm going to give you an activity 8 for today. Article A. I hope you understood this, or if you still have a doubt, let me know. And I'm going to attach our worksheet link in the description box. So just do that worksheet, or I will also upload on your school website. So check it from there and do the worksheet and please send it to me. Okay. So till then, bye. Artists everyone.